Hi everybody, how are you today? It's Miranda here with Doing Life, and today in my life I have a Wantable unboxing, so stick around. Alright, before I get started with this Wantable unboxing, I do just want to say welcome to my channel. If you're brand new, then I hope that you'll consider hitting that subscribe and like button, and if you are a returning subscriber, then of course I just love that you watch all my videos, or most of them, or some of them, and you're just a great loyal subscriber, so thanks for that. If you're brand new, then I do unboxings, I do lifestyle vlogs, decorating, I do it all around here. Okay, so as I'm opening this Wantable box, I have to tell you that I'm a little nervous about this box, and I'm going to tell you why I'm nervous. So I kind of forgot I put Wantable on a 3-month subscription, because you can do it however you want. Like, you can get it monthly, you can probably get it whenever you want, every 3 months, once a year, I don't know. But anyways, I forgot that I did that. So I was gone out of town when I got the email for this box, and it was too late to tell them that girl had gained a little weight. Yeah. So I don't even know if I'll be able to do a try-on for this video. I know. That's too bad, isn't it? But anyways, if nothing fits in here, if nothing works in this box, then if nothing else, I showed you some great pieces, maybe. Maybe, we'll see. Okay, so Wantable is $20 a month plus tax, so I think for me it's like $21.80 something maybe. But you do get that styling fee back. And then something else that I really do like about Wantable is that you have like this closet, I forget what they call it, but anyways, and you just go and you can pick all this stuff that you want to try and they'll send it to you. All right, so for next time, sorry about wrestling everything around. I need to go and change my size profile for the next one. Okay, so this is what everything's looking like. Ooh, there's some leopard print something in there. There's some jeans, which those are not going to fit, I can tell you now. Yeah, because my profile says I'm a 12 and I'm more like a 14 now. I know. We're not going to dwell on that because girls getting fabulous again. Okay, so let's just take the paper off, rip into it. This is my baggie to send anything I don't want to keep back for free. This says ways to save. Obsessed with your edit, we get it. Buy 5 or more items and get 20% off everything. It pays to have friends, literally. If I refer a friend, so I'll put the link in the description if you want to try Wantable for yourself. I get 25 bucks, and then you get a credit too. There you go. So there's that. Then we got a meal kit card, and then this is what's in my little pamphlet. Your closet is going to thank you, it says. Okay, so first off, right here, we have a little velvet bag. So if nothing else fits, maybe I got some jewelry. Maybe? Oh my gosh, my arm is still swatched from a previous video. Oh well. Oh, those are kind of pretty. Let's put those back on there though. All right, you look absolutely amazing. Look at those. They're like little stud earrings. Hopefully you can see them. They're really pretty. Cool. So that's that. Let's open up my little thing here and we'll see. They're called the Pave Disc Stud in Gold, and they're $36. So there's that. I don't know. I'll mess with that later. Okay, so on to the clothing. Let's throw that behind me. All right, so first off, I have this tank. So hopefully you can see that. It's got stripes there. And it's a large, so this will probably fit me, hopefully. And it's got a little swing to it. I'm going to Omaha this weekend to be with my husband who's there on business. So I'm going to take the little 2-hour drive and spend the weekend with him. All right, something else about Wantable that I really do like is they have these little tags on them. And so it tells me how much is on there on the tag, and I don't have to look at the paper. But it says this one's worth $39. It's a really soft fabric. It's got some stretch to it, so that's good when the girl's fluffy, like I am right now, and it's by the Wantable brand. Okay, so that's a pretty good start, I'm hoping. All right, next up we have, I'm into the plaid still. I love me some plaid. Is that like the Southern girl in me or what? Like, is that the down-home farm girl in me maybe? I don't know. But this is also a large. I think I probably kept my shirts at larges. I'm pretty chesty. And so probably even if I was a size 2, I would probably still have to have a large because I got the boobs. All right, so this is by Beach Lunch Lounge. That's a great brand. It's very soft. And I'm just so ready for fall, y'all. Let's see. Where is the Wantable tag? It's got the regular Beach Lunch Lounge tag. I said, oh, I love the little tags on it, and then this one doesn't have one. All right, so this one is Bailey plaid top in Great View, size large, and it's $68. So there's that. Then I've got Project Social Tee. What is this? This is really, really soft. It's got that big neck on it. That's gonna be so soft. Wow. It's like a pullover sweater. I wish you could feel this because, wow, that is really, really soft. It's a size large, and it's the Barely Fall pullover in Heather Black, size large, and it's $58. Oh my gosh. I don't want to rub it on my face because I have on makeup, but I do. I want to rub it, like, okay. Anyways. All right, so these are cut from the cloth Donna ankle skinny jeans. I need skinny jeans, ankle ones. But they're a size 12, so they're not gonna fit me. I'd be shocked. There is some stretch, but I would be shocked if these fit me. So you're probably not gonna see these again. But anyways, they are an ankle skinny. And they have the frayed bottoms. Cut from the cloth is always a good choice. All right, so then I have a By Gosh jacket. Look at this. That is heavy. Like, holding it is heavy. So I'm gonna be surprised if I like this, just because I don't like to feel like I'm confined. I need to be able to move around. But it is in a size large, and it is $78. So, but it is very pretty. I love the color, very fall. Yeah, so there's that. And then, whoa, Nelly. Okay. These are leopard pants, like jeans material. They're jeans material. They have the frayed, unfinished edge there. Leopard. Do you hear me right now? Leopard print. Leopard print. Pants. I don't own a pair of leopard print pants. And these are a size 12, and I'm probably not going to be able to fit into them. Kayla, do you see these? Kayla with Kayla's Closet, my buddy. Leopard print pants at Wantable. Is that too much, leopard? I don't know. Anyways, those are, here, it's easier to look at the tag if it has it, $89. Yeah, cut from the cloth, Donna ankle skinny. All right, so let's read the note. It says, Nebraska has cold, windy winters, so please try and keep that in mind during the winter months. I think I did that a long time ago, so I'm glad that was still on there. And then, so the stylist note says, I had so much fun styling you this month and helping build upon your wardrobe with Wantable. As we head into cooler weather ahead, I've included great layers and fun new arrivals to carry you throughout the seasons. The faux suede moto jacket is so cute and adds such a fun pop of color to any look. Throw it on with the scoop tank, I can't read, and the Donna ankle skinnies for a cute casual look. Animal print is such a big trend right now and we're loving it. The Donna leopard ankle skinnies are so cute and so comfortable. Pair them with the barely fall pullover for a comfortable casual look with your favorite white tee and the moto jacket. I can't wait to hear what you think, Sadie. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna go and try on what I can and show you what I can, and hopefully there's something out of this edit that you'll be able to see on me. So I'll be right back. Okay, so the first thing that I put on is this plaid Bailey top, size large. It fits really nice. If I button it up one more, it does have this gap here just a little bit. Like I said, I'm a chesty gal, so I'd probably need to go up. I could go up to an extra large. The fabric is really nice, feels good. As I unbutton it here, a lot of times with shirts like this, I'll wear like a tank. I would not wear this striped one with it, of course, but in the interest of this video, I am. And so I'd leave it open so that gap doesn't bother me. And as I'm getting back down to my original weight, then, you know, some of the chestiness will go away. But it is really nice and it's really soft. And if you want this one, go and grab it for 68 bucks. All right. So I'm gonna just throw that over there. Then I have the tank on. You guys can see my big old arms. Pretty soon, I'm gonna be getting back into the 6-week challenge at this place called Set the Bar. And those will go back and down, I hope. But anyways, enough about that. It is a bit see-through, but I do like it. It's got nice flow to it. I don't feel like it's too tight or anything. So this one, how much did I say it was? $39. All right, so then we'll put on the moto jacket, like Sadie said. And I really like this jacket. The only thing is I could not like zip it up. And it's a little bit tight in the arms, but it is really pretty. So there's that. Here's the back of it. It's got the little snaps and buckle belt here. So if you want this jacket, it is the faux suede moto jacket in mustard, and it's $78. So it's not for me, it's not a keeper for me because it's a little small, but it does feel nice and it's not as heavy on my body as I thought it was going to be. Okay, so I have one more top to put on and then we'll do the recap. Okay, so this top right here is my absolute favorite by Project T. It is so stinking soft and it's going in my closet. All right, so stand back here. Hopefully you can see. I know it cuts my head off. I am fixing to get a big ring light, and so my videos, especially for Tryons, will be 10 times better. But anyways, this is what it looks like. I love the neck. I love that it would look really cute with a bralette, but I've yet to find a bralette that fit me because I've had 3 kids, so my boobs aren't up here anymore and they don't have enough support. So I did order one. I'm hoping that it will fit. But anyways, you've seen those people of Walmart videos or pictures. I think I'll be okay with just showing them a regular bra strap because I like this top that much. But anyways, here it is. I'm gonna put a poll up here. I want you to tell me what your favorite thing is that I've tried on so far. All right, let's do the recap. Okay, so here for the quick recap, the grand total is $364.61. If I kept everything, it was a $91 savings. But I can't because the pants don't fit, you know, and we are the hardest on ourselves, and it just makes me so upset. But it's life. This channel is about doing life, and it is what it is. The box wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. Like, I ripped the band-aid off and it wasn't that bad. So, you know, I found some pieces that will work for me. Okay, so in the poll, don't forget to tell me if you like this shirt. Tell me if you like the tank and this top that I have on currently, because it's so soft and I don't want to take it off. It's really soft. I love it. So if you liked this one, go order it for yourself from Wantable. But anyways, thank you for watching this video and being subscribed. If you're not subscribed already, I hope you'll hit that button on the way out. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, whichever. And don't forget to be kind, do life, and love big.